What's going on, everyone? Today it's a special vlog because today I'm doing something different. We're not going to Disney. Today I am excited because we are going to watch Masters of the Universe. It's the red carpet and screening premiere at the TCL Chinese Theater in Hollywood. So this is my outfit, as you can see. Yes, okay. You can probably see the shoes, so I'm gonna show it to you. All right, so let's make our way. Come with me.
What's up, man? What's good?
Ready? 1, 2. Yes.
Yes. Oh,
Feels
your
awesome.
outfit. Your outfit is killing it. Look at that.
I appreciate that.
Yes. Philo, are you excited?
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah? Look at this guy over here. Nicholas! All right, we just got done with the red carpet, and now we're making our way inside the movie theater. Yes. Are you excited?
Oh, heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Watch
I'm
it June
so
5th,
excited.
guys. June 5th.
June 5th in theaters. We have a courtesy of Dennys and One Iota, the MGM movies,
table?
and Mattel Toys. We're getting Dennys over here. Really, really happy about this day. I feel so blessed, and I want to ask the guys over here.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it was a blast. I dressed up as Skeletor, got to meet Idris Elba. I got this really cool bag, and we should get the Skeletor.
Yes.
What a great day! I swear this is awesome.
Hi. What's our family?
Yeah, movie's great. It's out June 5th. We'll have fun. If you don't know anything about it, I think you'll learn a lot. It has to offer. It has a lot to offer. Funny, action-packed, and it's fun for every age. So, try to get
That's good. And now, on to eat. Wow, everyone. This movie was amazing. It had all the elements of a superhero movie. It had the comedy, it had the fantasy, it had the action, it had the love. It just took you to a whole other world. I loved it so much. I highly recommend you guys have to go watch Masters of the Universe, coming into theaters on June 5th.